Speedy. Several. Speedy down for a sec. We're almost to Fluffy's and she's decided to come greet us before we get there. Oh, now that she knows we're coming for sure, I guess she doesn't have to come further. And she doesn't like walking on the sidewalk too much anyway. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're here. Time for treats and breakfast. Yeah, I see the big trucks parked by your place. Must be scary. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so all overcast today, drizzly. Not as cold as yesterday, actually. About 10 degrees warmer. Possible rain Tuesday and Wednesday next week. Okay. Did you get them all? Okie dokies. Go check out breakfast. And one of the male California quails is over on the church's shed roof. Kind of hoping they would come over and have breakfast while we're here, but maybe they're not going to. He's the only one we're seeing. We have some sparrows out in the front boulder where I've just put down peanuts. That's a California Towhee. Golden-crowned Sparrow. Just spotted the Towhee up there eating the peanuts, so I took. Song Sparrow peeking over the boulder. Mm-hmm. California Towhee is back.
While Kathy's trying to capture some nearby birds up in Oak Tree, went ahead and going to give Fluffy her treats. Fluffy.
I guess. And I know Jay already did a little video of fluffers, but I'm doing one final one. Oh, my treats are gone. Oh dear, what am I going to do? Oh, my hero. Yes. You do like your treats, don't you? Okay, Fluffy Girl, we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, Speedy. Good boy. Okay, 2. To the brick post to eat. Squirrel? No. Speedy. That's 3. And go. Excellent. Post.